A new, more powerful engine and a more efficient transmission improved the 2012 Chevrolet Impala, making the attractive 5-passenger full-size sedan as formidable as it is economical. Available trims include LS, LT, and LTZ. Complementing the mechanical changes, the Impala boasts a new front grille and a reworked rear end that includes standard dual exhaust on all trims. Inside, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and wood grain trim is standard across the lineup, while LT and LTZ models feature a new leather shift knob as well. Replacing last year's engine is a 300-horsepower 3.6-liter V6 that adds 70 horsepower while improving fuel economy in both city and highway driving. Power is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are the EPA estimates for fuel economy. The Impala is backed by a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Greater power, improved fuel economy, and an upscale appearance put the 2012 Chevrolet Impala on the road to continued success.